What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Working on a Buick Enclave 2012. Today is just a quick video. Just gonna show y'all how to change out the turn signal. Pop out the screws. There is a 7mm screw at the bottom. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3. Is 4 right here. I think it's 4. Let me see. Yep, 4 screws right there. Pop that out. So you pull your steering wheel down, and then just pop this off. And what I'm doing, I'm not removing everything. I just move this down and use my flight head. And if you see it on here, there's clips right here. You pull those down and they go in here and down there. So as you can see, when you put it in there, it slides just like that. It clicks. See, it clicks. So I get the screwdriver in there like this, push it down, and pull it out. And you have clips right here that go into the turn signal. All you do is push down the pad right here and pull it out. And the same on this side, push the tab in, pull it out. There you go. All right, it's in. Let me show you guys how it looks. So I'm gonna turn to the first setting. Remember, before it was not working on no lower setting. It was only working on 2 on high. So we go to number 1. Oh wait, that's backwards. So we go to this one. Look, working. Turn to this one, working. The next one, working. Wait a second. All right, we good to go. So now I just replace everything. Put the clipping back in, the wiring, clipped in place. Not going nowhere, and that's it. All done. All right, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to do more videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help out however I can help out. Yeah, just make sure to follow, subscribe, and like the video, man.